Whew. Check this out, guys. Before you take your make sure the chicken ain't still in there. We're gonna throw that out real quick. There's a dumpster. Real quick, guys. I'll get more footage when we get to the yard. Let's get it. I got the radiators off. Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. Copper, copper, copper. It is the following day. I'm gonna break these two ACs down. Cut the radiators out of everything. There's one here that I collected like a week ago. And we worked so hard with a clean out, I couldn't do nothing with this. I'm breaking this down. This cannot go to job of salvage, but somehow I would like to cut this thing up or something and get it out of here. So right now, as fast as I can, I'm breaking all this down. I'm gonna stuff it up in there. If I have enough time, we're gonna go grab a couple more appliances before the scrapyard. It's Saturday, you gotta be there by 12:15, so we gotta move. It's about 9:30-ish, something like that. Let's get it, guys. Oh, I put the battery charger on this thing overnight. It should be nice and charged. This is an older charger, but my brother told me it works great. 12 amps, 12 volts, 6 volts or 12 volts at 6 amps, something like that. So this thing was starting on and off, and even with a charged battery, sometimes it would fire up, sometimes it wouldn't. We drove it over here, we loaded all full of furniture, everything. Then I had problems starting it, but I'm planning on trying to get rid of it. So I want to clean it up and get it running. We'll see what we can do. Let's get to work, guys. We got a lot to go.
Sheesh. I'm gonna try to do this without making tons of noise today, because we have neighbors.
Break them down, break them down, break them down. Oh, there's 2 more. Looking right at them. Might cut everything at the very end. That way it's a little bit less noise, I guess. I'm gonna pull all these screws. Get more footage in a little while, guys. I'm gonna keep, there's a lot of screws to take out, obviously. Woo. Let's keep going, guys. Let's keep going, guys. Sheesh. Hopefully this beast starts up for us too, by the way. Real quick, guys. So this baby is aluminum. This whole thing is aluminum. Put this in there. All the gas is drained out of all these. I already cut both of these and there's nothing in there. Moving right along, YouTube, moving right along. We gotta hurry up. Okay guys, I pulled this motor out of this one. Cutting some wires real fast. Saver wire. Okay, we got that packed in there. I still gotta cut some of these rads up. Don't have much time. I wanted to get done in 20 minutes and go pick up some appliances afterwards. Somebody's calling my phone. Like we always do, YouTube. Moving right along. Aluminum one. Got one left. 2 of those squirrel cages. Still have motors in them. I don't know what to do about that. One more, guys. There we go. I'm gonna separate these and maybe bust these couple motors out and head to the yard. Cause we ran out of time. Okay. Okay, I'll get more footage after we're packed up or when we're on the way to the yard. I drug these from around back too. These things are ridiculous heavy. Check this out, guys. No paint pan or anything. Very random, very fast. I did put a little plastic under here so it can't go all over this white truck, but we're just throwing this on here. I've been wanting to do this forever too. I said I was gonna do that when I fix my window. Now about 2 weeks later, I finally do it. Ooh, look at that. Matching wood. I'm gonna have to put another coat on here that another day soon. Oh, don't you dare, don't you dare. Luckily I threw that plastic on. I wasn't even gonna do that. But with my luck, you better throw the plastic on, buddy. Definitely would have got it all over the side of the truck if I didn't just do that. This needs to be a little thicker. I did stir it and shake it like crazy. I guess not good enough. Yeah, and I plan on cutting this aluminum piece I got it. That post, I'm gonna put 3 inches down each side of this. I might have to take these off to fit it right, but yeah, we're gonna have a nice corner on both sides again finally. Won't like it exposed, it doesn't look good. Much better, much better. It's really a little bit thin right here, but it looks a lot better than it did. Alright, let's go to a scrapyard, guys. Enough wasting time around here. Okay, YouTube. We're gonna be there at 12:12. They close at 12:30, so they're gonna be irritated and I gotta hurry up. But I only have about a half a load steel weight on here, and the rest is a few radiators, a little bit of copper. Another guy just called me from an auto body shop on Ricerstown Road. Said he's got 4 or 5 loads that would fill up a F-150, and I told him I will be there as soon as I can, one day early this week. Today's Saturday. I think I got a junk removal job right after this. No matter what, we're going and getting all that auto stuff. He said it's an auto body shop, so it's probably not as many rotors, but yeah, we're going to get that. I told him I'll be there. He's like, that's fine, he'll wait for me the first time. I'm like, cool, I'll take everything you got, buddy. You just got to give me a little bit of time because it's very busy right now. Let's go get on the scale, guys. They just closed the gate. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh. We got to hurry up, guys. $68.80. I got around 700 pounds of steel weight. Let's go throw this out real quick. Like we always do about this time, guys. We're in a hurry. Keep the radiator. I'm getting that out of there. Maybe we shove these over here. Come on, buddy. Boy, them things are so heavy. Launch it, guys. Launch it, launch it, launch it. Goodness, that's heavy. Come on, dishwasher. Come on, dishwasher. Throw it out. Guys, throw it out. Keep the radiator. Alright, I'm gonna throw this out and get more footage in a little bit. We're almost finished. Guys, we threw everything out. We literally got 8 minutes left. I got some non-ferrous to take these dudes real quick. I'm gonna try to not give them my bucket because they always steal my bucket, but it's my fault for not getting it. They don't dump your stuff out until after you get paid. So it's like most people just leave. 6160. Around 700. We're gonna go do this non-ferrous and head out, guys. Let's get it. Let's get it. Everything must go. YouTube. This is a little more than I expected. 6880 to 6160. 720 pounds. Steel weight. Non-ferrous was better than expected. Copper number 2, 1685. 1375 for aluminum rads. Clean. Aluminum CU radiators, 4450, 1650 for electric motors. That little bit of wire was 713, 616 brass irony, 396 for aluminum sheet 30. Sealed units was 1944 for 108 pounds for them 2 sealed units. For a grand total 120, 40, 60, 75, 6, 7, 8. 178, not bad at all. Now I'm going to do a yard cleanup for an awesome lady that lives by my aunt's old house that has been asking me for 3 weeks. We've been doing mulch and clean outs. So I told her be patient. She's like, that's fine. I thought she wanted a leaf removal and hedge trimming. She doesn't. Those pallets, little concrete thing, blah, blah, blah. We're going to get it right now. Let's get it. Let's go. Oh, and something about spreading a little bit of mulch. We might be there till midnight, but that's okay. Everything must go, YouTube. On to the next one. YouTube. There's a girl in the back of here. The word for today starts with a B. This stuff is a headache, to say the least. Check this out, guys. I'll just cut this piece off right here. It's probably 8 feet long. Look at the size of that. It came off here. It's literally like 35 feet at least. There's a whole forest of it, but we're only getting what's in the yard right now. And some other crap. Sheesh! We spread some mulch, obviously that new stuff. little bit of leaves back there. Blah, blah, blah. Moving right along, YouTube. I'll get footage at the landfill. YouTube, I'm doing a clean out, a small like junk removal pickup. Got a little bit of metal right here, and then some other stuff that's not recycled. There's more metal in their backyard, and there's a really cool vintage refrigerator in the basement. The staircase is super tight, so I don't know how to get it out. It's an old fridge. It's pretty heavy. This crack's gone, but all this metal is gone too. And this little baby fridge we're gonna take as well. I'll get some footage once I get it out. I'm gonna try to get the fridge somehow. It's not gonna be easy. This is an aluminum railing. I'm cutting it up just to make room, really. Okay. Pouring down raining, guys. There's some wooden gardening 4x4s out back with big old nails in them. Might have to cut those babies up. I'll get more footage when we're done. Ladies and gentlemen, there's an old world building. Whoa, do you see that? The whole right hand side's buried. I just got done cleaning up all that. It's like a half a load max. She asked me not to take that vintage refrigerator. I want that refrigerator. I told her I would come back with a helper. I don't want to flip it out of the basement and break it or something. I want that in good condition. It's nice. It's a real old ice box. It's like 5 foot tall. It's cool. We're going to the landfill right now. My buddy Carl just messaged me. He's got 2 stoves, I think 2 refrigerators, the HVAC system, something else for me at Wampler Village. I told him I have a grill on here already and a little bit of metal, this weight bench or whatever. So let's hurry up, get rid of this and fly over there and grab them appliances. We're gonna arrive at 1. We probably have time to break an AC unit down in the pouring down rain, guys. We're gonna try anyways. Okie dokie, okie dokie. We got about 4 more minutes. We're gonna be Middle River, going to load up appliances where Carl's located. I think I'm gonna put the air conditioning on dead last and then try to break it down before I go to the scrapyard. I don't know how I'm gonna fit all this on here with this big old grill taking up all this room. But we're gonna make it work. 2 stoves, a fridge, and 2 stoves, 2 fridge, the AC unit. We'll get it somehow. Okay guys, we have arrived. There's a whole bunch of stuff right here. 1, 2, 3, 4 units. And then this, that, and that, I believe, all have to go on here. Let me see. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, we have plenty of room. And then somewhere I'm gonna pull over and break this AC down on the fly on the way to the yard. We got like 2 hours to do everything, so let's get it. Let's get it. Haven't got one of these in a while, actually. Check this out, guys. Before you take your make sure the chicken ain't still in there. We're gonna throw that out real quick. There's a dumpster. Moving right right along. Okay guys, I tried to unscrew this brass, and let me take this bucket hat off. The whole thing starts spinning. So I was about to cut it, and then I decided I'm gonna try to unscrew it first. My buddy just told me actually I won't be able to because it'll be in the way. Come on, man, we don't have time for this. I don't think I can fit in here actually. Nope. Okay, that ain't gonna work. Come on. Nope. Alright. Brass recovery mission. Yes, I could have probably unscrewed this whole thing, ripped it out, and then took it off, but I'm trying to hurry up. That's why I just did that. Moving right along, guys. Them fridges are taped up, but the one freezer doesn't have anything in it. He said there's a mini fridge as well. There's a stack of dishwashers. I might try to load a couple on top. I told him they can take them, and he's like, oh yeah, and I'm like, yup. Hey, real quick, I just want to look in there. This one had a bunch of fruit. He just threw it all in there, but yeah, it was funky. There's another one over there too, probably has crap in it too. Moving right along, guys, in the rain. Guys, I just cleaned out this whole other fridge. This thing was funky, like really bad. Ew. I didn't record it because it's pouring down raining real bad, but yeah. We're gonna load all this tight and then get these ACs on the back, and I'm going somewhere to break that AC down before I go to the yard. Let's get it, guys. Sheesh. YouTube. I got the AC and the frame on the back. It looks crazy. I'm not gonna record it. I'm gonna pull over and cut this baby up real fast somewhere. Gotta get this rad off. We got about 1 hour to get to the yard, so I gotta hurry up. But yeah, I'm about to get it, guys. Real quick, guys. I'll get more footage when we get to the yard. Let's get it. I got the radiators off. Okay, guys. So I wanted to get much more footage than I just did, but it's raining so bad again. Just went through this not too long ago. We're gonna be at the scrapyard in 13 minutes, guys, and then we're riding to Boldy's quarters to try to get another air conditioning unit. Same just like what I have now. I have a job in the morning, so I won't be able to leave it on the truck. Somehow I'm gonna have to store it, and the wife is not gonna like that as much as I am. We will be there soon, guys. Let's go get on the scale and get weighed. It feels like I literally just jumped in a river and climbed out and got in my truck. That's how I feel right now. On to the scrapyard. Okie dokie, guys. I'm putting my ice cold gloves on because I threw them up there. And I had the air conditioning running by accident. It's a beautiful day to get soaking wet and scrap Baltimore. Approaching the scale. We are looking at 7,400 pounds, YouTube. Let's go throw this out, guys. First things first, guys. We need this motor. I can't let it go, I'm sorry. Yep. Okay. Ready? 3/8. Yeah, we're keeping that murder. Alright, let's throw all this out, guys. We gotta get a new one of these headset things, man. This thing's messing up. You got a murder. We have some copper. Come on, baby. Yeah, these fridges are disgusting. Like real bad. This one's nasty. They left meat in there for a while. Try to not even deal with it. Come on, Yuck fridge. This is a nasty Yuck fridge. Spunky juices in that one, guys, to say the least. Rather not even touch this baby. Doesn't smell too great either, YouTube. Just get out of here, Yuck fridge. But I did get all the food out of them. And then just throw it in there, guys. Dishwasher. Dishwasher. Keep the hand truck. How are we gonna do this without getting hurt? Come on, number 3. Come on, baby. Ooh. Dishwasher number 3. Woo, flips. We're spinning, baby, we're spinning. Now this guy is stuck up here on that. There we go. Watch the hand truck. Oh, the grill is tied in place back there. Huh. It's a river, an actual river. Bye-bye mini fridge. Bye-bye mini fridge. Dishwasher lid. One of these stoves had chicken in it. Actual chicken. Bye-bye, Mr. Stove. Throw it, guys. Throw it. Let me see here. Is all this locked in place? It's not enough wire. I don't believe turn-in wire. If there is, it's not much, believe me. Radiators. Radiators. Rad sealed units. Rainy days. And all this rain keeps pouring down. I know the sun gonna wash away. Get away from my window, bro. I believe this whole thing's made out of aluminum, guys. Okay, I'm gonna throw all this out. I'll get more footage when we hit the scale, YouTube. Everything must go, guys. Say 7,400. There's a little bit of non-ferrous back there, guys. Some radiators, a little bit of sealed units, some aluminum, and some copper. Not much, but we got some weight. Should add a couple bucks. I'm guessing around 1,200. 62 even would make 1,200. Let's go trade this thing, get paid, and head out. Okay, reload it. We have 7,400 to 6,200, 1,200 pounds, like we guessed before we hit the scale. The non-ferrous wasn't bad. Aluminum radiators, 232. 26 pounds, $46.28. $2.07 for one electric motor. Sealed units, $14.58 for 81 pounds. $61.85 for copper number 2. The wire was $2.31 for 1 pound. $2.07 for a little bit of brass with silver coating on it. $9.46 for aluminum sheet for a grand total. 120, 40, 60, 75, 6, 7, 8, 9. 179, not bad. The video I just published yesterday, it was 178. Doing better than we were 3 weeks ago by $1. Flying to try to go get one more air conditioner before our day's over, and I'm supposed to get a dishwasher somewhere as well, but I really don't feel like it. Let's get it, guys. We'll be there in 15, 16 minutes. Everything must go, YouTube. All love it. All love it. Okay, guys, we are down in Carroll Island, Baltimore County, boys'
Take a slight
quarters.
left turn, then arrive at your destination.
There's the AC unit. I see a furnace. I don't see the AC unit. Go see what these guys are talking about. My buddy Carl sent me. Last time I was down here, I was saying my grandmother lived right up there when I was younger. I'm gonna go talk to these dudes and see if I can get this real quick. Okay, so it is still here. There's the furnace right there. There's the AC. I'm gonna borrow it. He said I can use his hand truck. No, we're gonna load this up and head out, guys. Quickly now, quickly now. Okay, let me try this one more time. Yeah, something is up with my little head thing. It's getting old. I gotta get a new one. Salvaging in Arizona. Check his channel out. He just told me that he found the whole kit with all the connections and the floating device and all the stuff that you can mount it with and everything for GoPro. I got a GoPro 12 and I believe it's larger or longer than an 8, my old one. I still haven't hooked my 12 up. I gotta make a short video opening it. I'm gonna load this and that furnace up, guys. Grab that little bit of wire and head out. Tall AC with a skinny rad in there, but it does have copper, so we're not complaining. Let's load it up. As long as it ain't aluminum, I'm happy. And I even take the aluminum ones as well. We'll grab the house wire box. No shame. House wire. Oh, this is plastic. We don't need the plastic. Or the instructions. Yeah, the guy Carl that gave me all this, the maintenance dude, he said for his company he was just in Las Vegas for like 5 days. The company that he maintenance runs all that for sent them out there like a conference. He just got back today when he called me, and I got all that appliances earlier. I like this dude's hand truck. I'm pretty sure that company, all of them are kind of like this one right here. Let's go, little buddy. That rad looks all aluminum. Yeah, it is actually. Let's go load this baby up, guys. Turn his hand truck and we'll be on our way. Okay guys, I'm gonna take this home and put it up, and then tomorrow I got junk removal, so I don't know when I'm breaking that AC down. Actually, maybe Wednesday, later in the week. And of course, you know we gotta rise, baby, rise. We gotta get that shot. You know that, YouTube. On to the next one.